Hi, welcome back to another book review. So this one I bought online. I wasn't able to see the inside, but I was hoping because I bought the worst condition possible, you know, I got it cheaper. I think it was like $2 or $3. So again, this is why I do these videos, is so that you can see the inside of them. So this is Fashions of a Decade, the 1940s. So it's a little over 8.5 by 11, and here's the spine. Looks like this was a library book. And then here is the back. The ISBN number is 0-8160-22467-7. All right, so let's take a look. Yep, it was a library book. And I took a glance at it when I got it in the mail, and I'm pretty happy with it. So this is definitely a nice one. Look at this beautiful big image here. So this is a 1992. Okay. What I like about it is it has very thick pages, and there's lots of things to cut out and put into journals here. And I like the ladies. Look at this one. Here's little, it's like a little snippet about sweaters, a health hazard. It'd be fun to put these on journal cards. So this is full of nice vintage pictures. And look at these, can be cut out and put on. Here's an old Coca-Cola image. There's another one. These would be fun to put out and put into a tag. These images here, you know, any of these black and white images you can make into pockets or tuck spots. Here's the advertising about model gowns. Maxwell House Coffee. Look at this. This is one of my favorite pages of this book, I think, so far. Look at that. I can fussy cut this out. Or, yeah, oh, I like that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, definitely like this book. If you're into retro. Oh, I love that. Take that back. This might be my favorite one. I love that. Look at that. Oh, look at those. Beautiful. To fussy cut out. Awesome. Oh, some more. See, I'll grab it in just a second. And that's why I bought this book, because I was basing it on the other one that I have. So I'll grab that one in a second. And I don't know if I did a book review on it, but see, oops, here's even men's clothing. Look at that. Oh, look at those. Some nice ones to cut out. Oh, look at all those. I like that pink and white striped. All right. So Fashions of a Decade. So I'll be right back. I'm going to grab the other book. I have to go around my desk to grab it off the shelf. But this is the book. This is the book that I got at, I don't know, a garage sale or thrift store. And so I was basing this book on when I purchased this book. So I have cut into this book already and tore it out. And what I like about it is it does have a lot of these, you know, look at those images in here. Isn't that beautiful? So that's why I was searching for this type of book. So, and I do have another one. I purchased another one of these, which I'll do a review in it in the next video. So, so I did purchase another one because that one's all cut up. So, all right. So this was Fashions of a Decade, the 1940s. All right. Thanks so much.